Did you know DJI is a drone company and worked their way up to be a camera company second? Hey, I'm Fish. I'm gonna tell you like it is. You want an action camera, and it's a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And you hear everybody out there, including me, that the camera is the best camera that DJI has to offer in the action series. They created the DJI Osmo Action 1. The second generation turned to a modular. Then they came out with the 3, a 4, and now the Action 5 Pro. All because of this camera, named the Insta360 Ace Pro, Ace Pro 2. And DJI had to, you got it, put out their own Action 5 Pro. The only camera that has the real name of Pro? Yeah, GoPro. And where are they today? Not the leaders anymore. Insta360 is probably today going to be the leader, but they're not perfect. It's not an on-the-go camera. It does not have a real quick capture that immediately starts like DJI. The technology in Bluetooth is not 100% there yet. But the camera is coming along and holding strong. It's got filters. Oh, wait a second, Fish. The one thing it don't have is breathing. And another thing it don't have is locked HDR. And another thing it don't have is locked firmware. These are problems that DJI is forcing on people and telling them that we can't give you HDR off. It's a phenomenon that HDR works great with our camera. It's a phenomenon that firmware is the best we have to offer to improve to you. There's no need to go back or downgrade. It's a phenomenon that the evaluative metering is working just fine. Kids of all ages, do one of these. Who the fuck are you kidding? You got some pissed off people out there, and I am just bringing it to the table, expressing it the way I love to, because you cannot express it or want to do it. So I take that information and I put it to a video. And that's how I do things. Well, I am shooting here and I am stepping into the frame. How do I look now? How do I look now? Did I get bright? Am I breathing? I'm breathing. A human person breathes. That's how they live. But the camera should not breathe. Wait a second. My Sony breathes. It does. It hunts. Even the DJI Pocket 3 breathes. It hunts. And they created a breathing thing. This is not a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, people. I have the Action 5 Pro in hand. And I'm happy that DJI products work with other cameras, like the DJI Mic 2. But am I breathing? I don't think so. Well, the thing is, I'm not here comparing the Action 5 Pro to the Ace Pro 2. I'm here telling you that this camera breathes. It's like a pet rock. Treat it like a pet rock. Now, definition. All the cameras show definition. Why do they want the clouds to have definition? I don't know. I don't know. The fish don't know. So I got a list here. See my list? See how big and long my list is? And I got people, 100 people that backed. No, they didn't back me up. They wanted BeAware. And you had the option to load the BeAware when they given it to you. And you also have the option to downgrade and revert back to the firmware that you were on. No, not true, Fish. I talked to DJI Thor, and he said, well, get to the relevant team. I said, I spoke to the wrong person. I talked to DJI Yateo. He said, Fish, no problem. We'll give you the downgraded firmware. But he gave me the recent. I now have since 5 days about or so said, hey, Yateo, how can I get the one that I had? VO1030-210. That's the one I want. I had on my camera. He hasn't responded. He's off. He hasn't checked in. Why talk to anybody else? Even you. If I talk to you and tell you you don't believe what I got on my camera, well, let's turn it on. How do we do it? Swipe down, go to the car gear. You could probably read that. It's right there, all for you. VO103 0355. Oh, the Fish is on older firmware. Now, how much BS, kids? Put your fingers in the air. Bullshit that DJI Natalia is telling everybody, oh, you can't downgrade. You're not allowed to downgrade. And you got a person that's now begging to get their version. Well, you can only get the recent version. If you're on BeAware, you're not stuck to BeAware. Don't let them talk you into being stuck on BeAware. Well, I said my piece. Now, if you agree or disagree, get out of that little box of yours. And you know who the kids? Put your fingers in the air. The fuck you are. And you could kiss my butt. I don't have to take this from anybody, or you have to take from me. We are all civilized people, and we love to share our fun. Don't let people out there tell you any different how not to have fun. They are not the ones that are controlling you or you controlling them. Just do one of these. Put the blind in. Oh, kids, do one of these and one of these. How's that dance go? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I could dance if I want to. I could do the John Travolta move. Yeah, you know, having an action camera with you and on the go, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is not a bad camera. But hearing all the issues that everybody out there has, especially this breathing issue that's not going to get resolved, or the HDR, you're never going to make this camera a mini DSLR. The camera breathes. It has issues. And we all know, no, not at all. These days are long gone from any company. I'll tell you, it's not the first time I did a video like this. When I do things like this, I'm having fun, and don't ruin my fun. If you look back, I am the oil king, baby, and I did the rated R. If you don't like it, go over there or there, basically up there or down there. But be here if you want to know the real deal. And on that note, I'm getting the hell on out of here because my camera's breathing me and it's haunting me and scaring the hell out of me. Kids, do one of these again. I'm Fish. Nice to see you on the next one. Heck, man, if you can't have fun doing things, then what else can I tell you?